Hello there, how are you?
Hello, my driveway's just up here if you wanted to pull in.
Okay, I will just come over there. Alright. Hello.
Hello.
So this is the car?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, alright.
Cute.
It's broken.
Yeah.
It's working. Does it locks and unlocks before?
No, it wasn't all day
It's
today.
fine?
Yeah.
Okay, let me double
I
check.
tried to go to the shops this morning and my car wouldn't start.
It wouldn't start? Alright. Never mind, maybe it's having some issues in the keys. So
Have they got it replaced anyway?
yeah, I'm just making a new key for you.
Okay, thank you
Alright,
so
no worries, just give me around 10-15 minutes, I will make a new one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a new key for Mazda CX-5. It's I think it's 2013 or 14 model. So the key is broken, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So let's just start and make a new key for it. It's all done. So this is the method how we can program the remotes. If you want to get it done, so you can call us on Key Pros Locksmith or you can text us. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, all done. No worries, you can just try to test it now. You can drive with this one.
Thank you.
And this is your spare key.
Okay, cool.
Thank you so much. And I'm just recording the short videos just to make a keys for the car. Is that all right to post it?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
No worries.
Yeah, thank you so much. See ya.